Hi, welcome to today's review, and today we are reviewing some GripGrab bicycle cycling mitts. Now these are, I'm not going to lie, these are my favourite. So you get reflective, you get breathable layer here, you get lycra here, you get gel padding in the important areas, and I really suffer from my hands with vibration. These feel amazing. They're very stretchy. I will show you something else. Actually, before I do that, let me show you something really cool about these, which I really like. They've got little magnets in them, so they always stay together. How many times have you gone to look for your gloves and one of them isn't there? Not anymore. Now I've also got the winter version of these, which are the full waterproof ones. They are why I bought these. That's what they look like on. Padding in all the right places. There's some gel in there as well. I love these, and I'm not just saying that, I love these. If you get a chance to try these, they come in a variety of sizes, but these fit these fit me like a glove, but they're so comfortable. They're so comfortable, and they don't look like they've got gel padding in. They just look like a normal pair of cycling gloves. That's the difference between having pins and needles in your fingers and not having pins and needles in your fingers. These are amazing. I can't recommend these gloves high enough. These ones are the medium. These are model 1001. You can put them in the washing machine. Amazing gloves or mitts, and a really good investment if you're planning to do a fair bit of cycling. But my favourite bit is that they're never going to get lost. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you've got a pair of these and you love them as well, let us know. If you don't love them, let us know as well in the comments, and we'll see you in the next one.